Police show up to the mall after a man is loudly cursing and acting erratically in public.
Why are you here? You're making me feel uncomfortable.
Okay, after you make that purchase, mall security wants you to leave the mall.
You're gonna hold my hand.
You're not gonna hold your hand, dude.
Who's gonna hold my hand then?
Nobody. We don't need to touch 6 feet, COVID.
I gotta do it all on my stuff. That's the worst part about this whole thing. Do they understand this shit? No one's talking about I'm all my own.
You just make purchase.
Walking onto my squad, so I was coming in. And I was like, there's a really drunk guy upstairs.
Yeah.
I don't know where he's been.
I don't need to explain that to anyone. I know what I know.
Did he pay already? He didn't pay? All right.
Will you pay with card or cash?
I pay with cash. Oh.
Can you hand that to me, please?
No, I want them.
We're not picking it up. We're not picking it up.
It's fine. Trust me. I want them to pick it up.
Are you gonna pay for your food?
I mean, no. I pay for your food. I pay for your food.
You're gonna be
listen.
You're gonna be trespassed right now. So you need to give me your identification. What's your name? If he doesn't want to give his name, I'll just hook him for obstructing ID at this point until we trespass him.
Yeah.
And then we can unarrest him.
Yeah.
Right, exactly.
Tell me I'm right.
Let's wait till Bruce is
Okay.
Bruce has to do it right hand.
Is it in your pocket? Alright, you're good. Good luck. No, you keep it.
He's going to need to provide his name,
Yeah.
or it'll be obstructing.
No, absolutely.
So we've dealt with this guy for too long, giving him a lot of cases.
All right, my man. You're holding up business. We gotta walk.
Are you gonna carry my shit out?
I'm not carrying anything.
Like, is it because I'm white? Are you racist or what?
Definitely not. Grab your stuff. Let's go.
He's racist. He's saying that you won't carry my shit out because I'm white and you're black.
Let's walk.
Or like, actually, you have a great complexion. You probably have the greatest complexion. I'm sorry, Brian. I'm just saying, like, your complexion's great. You see this complexion?
Come on. Which way you want him to go? That way or that way?
Blood or not? Is he blood or not?
All right. Which way you want to go?
Right there to that table.
Escalator. All right. Let's go that
I'm
way.
gonna go right here.
That way.
So we're gonna go out downstairs.
But that's the fucked up thing.
Hey, listen, bro. If you don't leave right now, we're gonna put you in handcuffs.
But there's no reason. I don't want you to arrest me. I'm gonna hear it. Like, I talk to everybody. You know that or not?
You want to give me your name? What's your name? Let's start off with first name basis.
I'll leave. I don't want to.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, fine. Damn it! You tricked me.
Let's go.
Some of you have to agree with me.
Yeah.
Like, some of you have to agree with me. All right.
All right, we'll clean it up. Let's go.
Sorry about that.
What?
Don't do that. You all right? are you going?
That's your business. Thank you for asking.
Well, you're trespassed, so now we have to identify who you are.
Trespassing what? Like trespassing bro, like
From the mall.
you're like your
This
hair
way.
is trespassing like over like a
This
certain, like,
this way.
let me check your hair. I'm not really gonna call you like that. I can do like I'm trying to agree. You're like,
So we haven't got him identified yet? Bro, hey. Alright, that's it. Right now. Dude, give me
I got one. I got one.
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop resisting or you're gonna get tased. I got one. I got one.
Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your
You're gonna
back.
get tased.
Stop resisting.
I did nothing. I did
Hands
nothing.
behind your back. You flexed on that guy. What are you doing? Stop
I didn't
resisting.
do anything. Stop moving, dude.
That's fine.
We have one in custody. Stop moving.
I want in custody.
Relax, dude.
1746.
Relax. Good. Relax. Relax. Good. Relax.
Cool. Do it again.
Walk him out. Is he cuffed? Is he cuffed?
1746.
Alright.
Yeah, he's fine.
Let's just get his info. He flexed on that guy. Yeah, that's definitely assault right there. He did it to a kid. He like jumped in front of a kid upstairs. Stand up. Give me this. Stop the food. Don't stand up.
Show him here.
Stand up.
Yeah, and express. 6, you mark 4 male custody.
33, we're by Honeyberry Cafe on the first floor.
I still have one male in custody by the Honeyberry Cafe. Is there another male in custody or no?
Just one.
I really like how you're cooking. Like a cook.
Giving you a lot of chances here.
Like just stop being
Walk out.
No.
Walk out. Stop it. You're
No,
gonna get
just
picked up.
stop fucking making it fucking
Start walking. Start walking. Start walking. Like an adult. Start walking.
Come on. Walking back. Just pick up. Let's pick up from his legs. Yeah.
Don't get kicked.
Why is it good?
You!
7-6.
You! You!
Hey, stop kicking or you're gonna get another charge, dude.
Really? We get another charge?
In the back of the squad.
No!
Stand him up.
Alright, fine.
Get in the back. Get down.
Alright. Just don't fucking see
Stand
me.
up. Stand up.
Sit in the squad car.
Don't do it.
Fine.
Alright, stand up.
Stand up.
Oh, fuck!
Watch your head.
The 42-year-old man is charged with aggravated assault on public property and 2 counts of resisting or obstructing a police officer. This is still an open case and the man is innocent unless and until proven guilty in the court of law. Let me know your honest thoughts on this case down below in the comments. Stay safe out there and I'll see you in the next video.
Bro, hey. Alright, that's it. Right now.
Fuck you! Fuck you!
Hey, stop kicking or you're gonna get another charge, dude.
Really? We get another charge?